old motor whose plate is not clearly visible, or you want to wind a new motor. So number of turn to be calculated and standard watt gauge is required. By this Excel file, you can easily calculate it. Just require you to measure the inner dia of stator and total length of the stator. Put the power of motor. This PP stand for the power of motor. Put the power of motor, which how much HP motor you have to put here, and the connection. It is a, if it is a star connection or delta connection, you have to put here, and you will get the value of diameter and area. This is the diameter. It is here. It is 0.6 and the area is 0.28, which is nearly matching with this 23 number wire gauge. For turn calculation, we require the dia and the length, which we have already taken before. Now we will just put the value here, the dia and the length. Here one thing we have to note that this dia and the length unit we have measured in centimeter. So if you have measured in different scale, you need to change it to centimeter. Only centimeter value have to put here. Otherwise the calculation will be different. Next, we need to put the pole. How much pole motor you have to put here? If it is a 2 pole, then you have 2 pole. If it is a 4 pole, you can put here it is a 4 pole motor. According to that, the turn will calculate. Now, for normal user like repair job, you can change this value, and for the advanced user who are for designing new motor, they can change this value too. Like here current density, here window space factor, here B average. So the for advanced expert level user, they can change this too. Okay, this Excel file can be downloaded from the given link below. Thank you.